Embrace hassle-free waste management with Motor City Disposal, your gateway to efficient and affordable dumpster rental services in Roseville, Michigan. At Motor City Disposal, we understand that managing waste shouldn't break the bank. That's why we specialize in providing cost-effective solutions for your disposal needs. Whether it's a home renovation, construction project, or a community event, Motor City Disposal offers the perfect balance of quality service and budget-friendly options. Contact us at 586-842-2750 for swift and economical dumpster rental services tailored to your requirements. Our dedicated team is ready to assist you in choosing the right dumpster size and ensuring timely deliveries and pickups. Dive into the details and explore our offerings at www.motorcitydisposal.com. Motor City Disposal takes pride in being your go-to destination for cheap dumpster rental in Roseville, Michigan, where affordability meets reliability. Let us handle the waste so that you can focus on what matters most. Motor City Disposal redefines the dumpster rental experience by combining affordability with top-notch service. Our commitment to delivering exceptional value is reflected in our transparent processes and customer-centric approach. Motor City Disposal has the expertise to cater to your waste management needs, from small-scale residential cleanouts to large-scale construction projects. Choose us for cheap dumpster rental in Roseville, Michigan, and experience the ease of quality service without breaking the bank.